Hey gut feelers! Today we're going to talk about 3 awesome, simple habits that help you detoxify your body and cleanse your body from toxins in a natural way. You're going to learn in this video 3 simple ways how to flush out those toxins that are stored up in the tissue of your body, but also in your inner organs like the liver. Often the brain has micro pockets of toxic heavy metals that we often don't know about. And of course, the lymphatic system and the bloodstream. They are all simple and I recommend to include them all into your daily life, but even just doing one of the habits on a regular basis will help you detoxify your body. If you're new to this channel, my name is Peggy from peggyschirmer.com, and this channel is called Gut Feelings because it's here to support you to trust your own gut feelings, to get in touch with what your body really needs, so you get more independent from all the doctors, from all the people talking on YouTube like me, and you become your own health advocate, being able to go out there and share your gifts with the world because you have the energy and you have the physical well-being that you need. And now I'm super excited to share with you the 3 awesome simple habits that help you to detoxify your body. One of the best ways to get those toxins out of your body, and especially out of your lymphatic system and out of your blood system, is by movement. Here are 4 ways that I can recommend, and just doing one of them is enough. First one, the most simple, walking. Jogging is great if you can do that. Then dancing, that's what I prefer. And just doing these for like 20 minutes would be great, but also 5 minutes. It makes a difference to be able to transport out these toxins. And the 4th one, and this is a great one, a lot of successful people actually are doing this, it's rebounding. You stand on, it's called a rebounder, it's a mini trampoline. And through just doing this, I don't have a rebounder right now, but this is how it looks. Just gently up and down. The lymphatic system actually doesn't move actively. It's not like your bloodstream. The lymphatic system needs movement to get going. So through this rebounder, you actually move the lymphatic system in a very gentle but effective way. And even if you're in pain or you weigh a little bit more and you can't do this kind of strong movement, every little movement helps. If you put a timer on, you put some music on, and you do that for 5 minutes, best would be 20 minutes, it's gonna help you so much to get those toxins out. It doesn't have to be super exhausting or sweaty. The best time to do it is in the morning. What I do is I have my lemon water or I have my celery juice, and then in that time while I'm digesting the celery juice, that's completely okay for the body, I do dancing or I do a little bit of this, and then I'm ready for the day and I can tick the first box. Detoxing support for my body, done. The second awesome and simple habit to detox your body is sweating. And it doesn't have to be active sweating, especially if you have a chronic issue, you might not be able to do all these crazy exercise, what people recommend. Sauna, guys, sauna. I can't recommend that enough because your skin is actually your largest detox organ. The liver is the second largest one. So when you go to the sauna, you're actually encouraging your body to bring out those toxins through the skin. If you want to learn more about sauna benefits, I link you a video here where I actually filmed in the sauna, which was super edgy, and you get more information about the benefits. And last but not least, the 3rd habit for detoxing your body, and this, guys, this is so powerful. You don't have to be super spiritual or believe in God or anything. It just works. An active meditation that I do on a regular basis, also with clients, visualization combined with breathing. It's 5 minutes. I put a timer on that with my phone, that it rings with a nice gong. The best thing is if you can do it standing. It can be in nature, that's the best. Barefoot on the ground. If that's not possible for you, sitting on a chair at home works as well. It's very simple. You close your eyes. It's just breathing in and breathing out. While you're breathing out, you imagine through the out breath, you send everything that you don't need. Yes, it's letting go. Everything that you don't need on an emotional level, but also on a physical level. You encourage your body to let go throughout your feet and you breathe it down back in the earth. So it gets recycled. Super powerful. Just right now, I already feel it. Just for you demonstrating this for 1 second, I can feel my feet starting to tingle, and it's happening. A combination between the mind, our emotions, and physical health is super powerful and definitely not talked about enough. So what you do, you breathe out, letting go of everything you don't need. It's a gentle process that happens by itself. You just allow it. And when you breathe in, you imagine that you connect with the center of the earth and all this vitality there, the fire, the heat, all the green plants on the surface, the oceans, this power, the power of the earth. You breathe it in through your feet. Yeah, it's the same thing back. you recharge your whole body with vital energy. Breathing in, vital energy, breathing out, letting go, just letting go. And you do that for 5 minutes, it's gonna make such a difference in your life, I promise you. Now guys, if you really wanna get serious with the whole detox thing and you wanna take the next step, I've got something super exciting for you. I'm gonna do a 5-day detox together with other awesome gut feelers from all over the world who wanna take their health to the next level, improve their sleep, improve their energy, finally connect to other people who are committed to heal and wanna support each other, but who don't wanna suffer and don't wanna starve while detoxing. It's going to be a fun event. Don't worry, it's not hardcore raw or just juicing and fasting. You definitely won't starve, and it's a very gentle way of healing and really working together with your body while being connected to a support system with other awesome people from all over the world who are looking for the same things as you. The places are limited, so make sure you sign up below and join us on this 5-day detox adventure. I can't wait to get started with you. I wish you a beautiful day. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.